everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Girl Farms YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting project. I'm working with silage tarps here in the background. I'm about to show you that. So I'm going to be using the silage tarps to mitigate the weeds. So if you want to stick around and learn how I'm going through that process, and maybe you can get some tips on how to burn off the weeds, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing to mitigate the weeds in this area of the farm. So if you want to come in closer, I bought this silage tarp. So a silage tarp is basically a plastic, and I've laid it down all the way throughout this piece where we have a lot of weeds. It was disked, so my dad went in with a tractor. What I'm doing basically is burning off the weeds. It's gonna be above the 100 degree mark here in Central California. And you can see in the bottom how many weeds there are. There's a lot of Bermuda grass, so I wanna kill that off. And I'm experimenting. This is my first time doing a silage tarp experiment to kill off the weeds. I've only done cardboard in the past. So we can walk down the pathway to show you how I did it. So I laid down the roll of silage tarp, and maybe I can show you the weeds here. There's a lot of pigweed. Oh wow, yeah. So this has only been covering the weeds for like 2 days, and there's already a lot of things happening. That's getting burnt off. And hopefully it'll burn off the seeds that have already fallen from like pigweed, and hopefully help us get rid of the Bermuda grass. I bought the silage tarp on Amazon and got it delivered, so that was a huge plus. And I believe it's, well, I don't know the width, but I know that it's a 100-foot roll, and I still have a lot of it left over. So I really wanted to show you guys how I'm trying to mitigate weeds here at the farm using organic methods, and of course no pesticides or herbicides. So it's not that time consuming, it's pretty simple, and then in a few days I'll go ahead and update you guys on what the results are. But so far, I feel it's gonna work out. Like, I'm already seeing some progress underneath the silage tarp, so I think we're gonna do really good. Okay, so we're here in the back end of where I left the roll. I'm gonna lay down some logs so that it holds down the plastic. So that's one of the things that you want to keep in mind is if it's gonna be really windy or your area is really windy, then just make sure you lock down the plastic really well so that it has a good effect on the results you're trying to achieve. So I'm gonna do that because I noticed that there's places where the plastic is already lifting. And yeah, you guys can see me do that. That's the one thing I recommend. You can come closer. Yeah, I feel this is a task that one person can handle. Nothing crazy. I mean, unless it's super windy, then maybe you'll need the help of more people. But I did the entire patch here by myself, so it's pretty easy and doable for a single person. So. Yeah, so that's the other thing that I wanted to mention, that it's a simple process to where a single person can do it. So hopefully that encourages you to take this task into your own hands. And also, you're not using any pesticides, so that's another huge plus. And then we'll do an update maybe in a couple weeks. I'm still not sure how long I'm gonna leave the silage tarp for. Like I said, it's gonna be really hot this entire week here in Reedley. So my plan is to, one, not let the weeds get their sunlight so that can kill them off, but also if it's gonna be really hot, I don't know if the solarization method is gonna work with this in such a short amount of time, and I am trying to get this bed prepped as soon as possible. And then we'll see the success of this bed because it's really compacted here. Nothing has been growing. So that's another thing that I'm experimenting with. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and then I'll see you on the next one. Bye.